Question write down, please. Show that rectangles. Show that the rectangles with given area. Show that the rectangles with given area has the smallest parameter if it is a rectangle. If it is a rectangle. Question I'll repeat. We have rectangles with given area. Area I have fixed. Dimension of the rectangle you can change, but such a way that the area should remain constant. Let the dimension of this rectangle be x and y. Question says the area of this rectangle has to be constant. Given area of the rectangle. So area is given x into y. This is given in the question. Now my question is, if we want the parameter of this to be minimum, इस rectangle का parameter, अब हम x और y को adjust कर रहे हैं, इस तरह से adjust कर रहे हैं कि हमारा area तो maintain हो और parameter minimize हो. So we want the parameter is to be minimized, and when you find the parameter minimum, at that stage you have to show that it is a rectangle. तो उस केस में अगर आपको rectangle show करना है, इसका मतलब x और y equal आने चाहिए. So what we do in this case? This is given case. Area is given. We want the parameter is to be minimized. Parameter we have twice of x plus y. Parameter we have as twice of x plus y. Now how many variables are there? X is a variable, y is a variable, p is the parameter is a variable. So as these three are variable and this is our given case, we will convert this into a single variable. How it is? Parameter equal to twice x plus y. What is y in this case? Y will be a by x. Parameter is twice x plus a by x. And now we go for differentiation. dp by dx is coming twice. Derivative of this I'll take 1 minus a by x square. And this has to be equated to 0. And if this quantity is coming equal to 0, I should have 1 minus a by x square is 0. Yes or no? And this says 1 is equal to a by x square, or I should say x square is coming a, or x comes out to be root a. Please don't put plus minus here because x is the length of the rectangle. Can never be a negative case. So x is coming root a here. So 1 is equal to a by x square. So x square is coming a, x is coming root a. As you got x is root a, now we should check whether it is maximum or not. To get the maximum, we go for second derivative. d2p by dx square equal to 2. 1 का result हो गया 0. This is a by x square. It is actually what it is, a x power minus 2. So when you go for the derivative, it will come plus 2a by x cube. And now we go for the second derivative, check whether it is maximum or minimum. So d2p by dx square, where x is coming root a. And when you have it is root a, what it will come? 4a by a root a is the denominator. Yes or no? And if it is a root a is denominator, this is coming greater than 0. So it indicates that second derivative is coming positive. सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव अगर पॉजिटिव आ जाता है, व्हाट डज इट मीन? The area is given, then perimeter is coming minimum. When the area is given to us, we have adjusted the x and y such a way that the perimeter is coming maximum or minimum. And at what stage it came? When x is coming root 3. My question is, you should prove that perimeter is minimum when it is a square. तो अभी आपका काम पूरा नहीं हुआ है. We should go for x and y and if x and y coming same, we will say now the area will be perimeter will be minimum when it is a square. How will you do? X is root a, will put here. Root a into y is coming a, so y is also coming root a, which is coming x. So what that indicate? X and y both are coming root a. What that indicate? Yes, the parameter is coming minimum when x is root a, and at that stage we got x and y are coming same. That means this rectangle is actually a square when you have parameter minimum. Next question, please. Show that all the rectangles inscribed in a given circle square has maximum area. Square has maximum area. Given circle, whenever they say, keep in mind we have the radius with us. One circle is given. Question says all the rectangle inscribed in a given circle. ये आपका एक सर्कल है, इसके अंदर हमारा एक रेक्टेंगल इंस्क्राइब हो रहा है. In this, a rectangle is inscribed. We have a rectangle inscribed in it. Given circle में केवल एक चीज मालूम होनी चाहिए, that is the radius. फिर वो चाहे यहाँ बनाओ चाहे यहाँ बनाओ, सर्कल में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सेंटर आप बदलते जाओ, but if the radius remains same, they are congruent circles. So keep in mind, in this case, the radius has to be known. So let the radius of the given circle is r. Now my question is, a rectangle is inscribed in it, and we want the area of this to be maximum. Area of this rectangle has to be maximum. So many rectangles I can inscribe in it. Dimension आप बदलते जाओ, इसके चारों vertices आपके circle पे आने चाहिए, तो बहुत सारे rectangles हमारे पास बन सकते. When you have this, now we want the area of this rectangle is to be maximum. We have to find out where it is maximum. And when it comes maximum, the question says you prove that this will be a rectangle converted into a square. At that stage, rectangle is behaving like a square, means the dimension has to be same, length and breadth has to be same. Then you will find at that stage the area is maximum. So what we do in this case, let the one part is x and other is y. Length is x, y is the breadth. As you have a rectangle, one thing is clear, this angle is 90, this angle is 90. Definitely when you join this line, it will be the diameter. Because angle in the semicircle always come out to be a right angle. तो ये semicircle बना है, इसमें ये angle 90 आ रहा है, इसका मतलब ये आपका definitely diameter है. और अगर ये diameter है तो center यहाँ पे है. And what is the radius of this? That radius will be 2r. This is x, this is y, this will be 2r. So my given case will be x square plus y square will be 4r square. ये आपका given case. So you have x square plus y square is 4r square is the given case for us. r हमारा constant है, इसमें x और y को आप vary कर सकते हैं, that we should. What you want in the question now, area is to be maximum. अगर आप एरिया को मैक्सिमाइज करना चाह रहे हैं तो इट फॉर्मूला सेज x into y. Then I solve area is x into y. Y की वैल्यू अब आपको यहां से रखनी पड़ेगी. y की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? अंडर रूट ऑफ 4r स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर. Yes or no? प्लस माइनस आप नहीं लेंगे बिकॉज दिस विल बी द y, लेंथ इज देयर, नेगेटिव नहीं होगी. दिस इज द एरिया वी हैव. नाउ वी डिफरेंशिएट इट. dA by dx equal to, now go for product rule here. X हो गया 1, it will come out to be under root of 4r square minus x square plus x remain as it is now. इसका डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो ये आएगा 1 by 2 under root 4r square minus x square into minus of 2x. And that has to be equal to 0. Clear? Now, if it is coming equal to 0, that means I should say this quantity 2 and 2 get cancelled out, and this is 0 means this quantity is equal to this. So I should have under root of 4r square minus x square is equal to x square by under root of 4r square minus x square. This I'll take this side. I got it 4r square minus x square is coming x square, or I should say 4r square will be 2x square, or I should say 2r square is coming x square, or I should say x is coming root 2r. Again, plus minus should not be taken. X is coming root 2r. Now we should check whether this condition is the condition for maximum area or not. So go for second derivative. I'll go for second derivative here. इसको proper लिख लेते हैं पहले. तो ये minus x square आएगा यहाँ. Now we go for second derivative. When you go for second derivative, d2a by dx square will be equal to, when its derivative you take, it will be 1 by 2 under root 4r square minus x square into minus of 2x. This will go by division rule, so I go by division rule. 4r square minus x square is our LCM. Square किया है यहाँ under root हट गया, then it will come root of 4r square minus x square into x square का हो गया integration derivative 2x minus second time x square remain as it is, and the derivative of this 1 by 2 under root 4r square minus x square and then minus of 2x. This is our second derivative we have. And when we have second derivative, I go for d2a by dx square where x is coming root 2r. Now put it root 2r. Just check here. This 2 and 2 get cancelled out. Minus this will be root 2r by under root of 4r square minus 2r square. What about this case? Minus is here. This will be coming under root of 4r square minus of 2r square into 2 into root 2r. ये 2 आपका कट रहा है, प्लस आ गया, x क्यूब आ गया ऊपर. x क्यूब को अब आप क्या लिखेंगे? x क्यूब आपका हो गया रूट 2r का होल क्यूब बाय अंडर रूट ऑफ 4r square minus 2r square. Denominator is also 4r square minus 2r. Now just check. ये नेगेटिव आ रहा है पूरा रिजल्ट, ये पॉजिटिव आएगा हमेशा. 4r square minus 2r square ये भी पॉजिटिव है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है, बीच में भी पॉजिटिव है, ये भी पॉजिटिव है, बट ये दोनों माइनस है. इसका मतलब ये क्वांटिटी हमारी नेगेटिव है. And if it is coming negative, what I should say? Area come out to be maximum. और अगर एरिया मैक्सिमम आ गया, नाउ यू वांट दैट इट शुड बी अ स्क्वायर, तो स्क्वायर के लिए अब आप क्या करेंगे, गोइंग फॉर गिवन केस. What was the given case? It was x square plus y square was 4r square. Then when you solve it, x is root 2a. So when you take root 2a, it will come 2r square plus y square will be 4r square. So y square come out to be 2r square, y is coming root 2r. That means x and y are coming same, and if x and y are same, we will say yes, it is a rectangle. Rectangle have the area maximum when it is a square, because x and y both are coming equal. In this question, slight problem you got, that is the derivative is becoming difficult. So in next class, I'll tell you what is the method by which you can make your derivative also simple. So just remind me, I'll do it once more this question, and we will try to reduce the derivative portion. Now one more thing, on first, I will be taking a mock test that will be available on your Google Classroom at 9 to 9:40 it will be available. Please solve it and return to me. That will be only for the practice. I'm not going to assess. That will only give you idea of the paper.